Ever pondered the significance of strategic tax planning? Why should it matter to you and your business? In the complex world of taxation, strategic planning can be the difference between a burdensome tax bill and substantial savings. It's about more than just crunching numbers. It's about understanding the tax landscape and making it work for you. 3 strategies in particular can make a significant difference. Firstly, the home office deduction. In an era where remote work is becoming the norm, this deduction can reveal considerable tax savings. Secondly, the Augusta Rule, a frequently overlooked tax benefit that allows homeowners to rent out their property tax-free for up to 14 days a year. Lastly, the art of fine-tuning depreciation strategies. Especially for business owners and those with rental properties, depreciation can be a powerful tool for optimizing tax advantages. Let's delve deeper into these strategies to understand how they can be implemented and the benefits they can bring. Firstly, let's talk about the home office deduction, a potential goldmine in this era of remote work. The current landscape of work-from-home arrangements has opened up the opportunity for an array of tax deductions. But how does one take advantage of this? Well, there are 2 methods, the simplified and the regular method. The simplified method is a straightforward calculation based on square footage, while the regular method involves itemizing actual expenses. It's important to understand the nuances of these methods to maximize deductions. But here's where VRMSZTax.com expertise comes into play. By guiding our clients through this process, we're not just helping you navigate the labyrinth of tax legislation, but also unveiling noteworthy tax savings. When navigated correctly, home office deductions can yield you substantial tax savings, highlighting your business adaptability to changing work environments. Next, we explore an often overlooked tax benefit, the Augusta Rule. This rule is a hidden gem in the realm of tax advantages, often eclipsed by more prominent deductions and credits. Yet its potential is undeniable. The Augusta Rule allows homeowners to lease their property for up to 14 days a year without any tax implications. Imagine that, tax-free income just by renting your home. This can be particularly beneficial for those living in high-demand event locales. Picture the tennis enthusiast living near Wimbledon, or the golf aficionado residing by Augusta National. These homeowners can monetize their prime location during high-profile events, all while enjoying tax-free earnings. But like any tax law, it's not without its nuances. Ensuring equitable rental pricing and strict adherence to the 14-day limit is essential. This is where VRMSZ Tax's expertise shines, guiding our clients through the intricacies of the Augusta Rule. With proper guidance, the Augusta Rule can significantly enhance your firm's value proposition. Lastly, but certainly not least, we delve into the power of depreciation strategies. In the fiscal chess game of taxation, depreciation, when well calibrated, can serve as a kingpin. This is particularly true for clients entrenched in business ownership or those possessing rental properties. Consider the various depreciation methodologies at your disposal. Each presents a unique opportunity to optimize tax advantages. For instance, the strategic utilization of luxury auto limits can unleash notable tax savings. By guiding our clients through these nuances, our firm not only demonstrates its technical acumen, but also showcases its dedication to proactive tax planning. This dedication is not about simply reacting to tax season as it arrives, but rather it's about consistently looking forward, anticipating changes, and preparing accordingly. In essence, depreciation, when wielded judiciously, can emerge as a potent tool in strategic tax planning, and our firm can be the expert hand guiding this tool. In conclusion, strategic tax planning is an essential component of financial management. By heightening home office deductions, we can navigate the complex landscape of eligibility and calculation methods, illuminating significant tax savings for our clients. We can also exploit the often overlooked Augusta Rule, allowing homeowners to generate tax-free income by leasing their property for up to 14 days annually. And let's not forget the potential of fine-tuning depreciation strategies, particularly for business owners and those with rental properties. With the judicious use of various depreciation methodologies, we can optimize tax advantages and underscore our firm's dedication to proactive planning. The implementation of these strategies requires nuanced understanding and meticulous execution, but the benefits to our clients and to our firm's reputation are immeasurable. Remember, effective tax planning does more than just save money. It can also establish your business as a paragon in the field. Like and subscribe to this channel for more up-to-date info on tax and business.